My name is Ismael Perez, and I will be explaining approximately how many civilizations, advanced civilizations, exist within our universe. Well, it has been calculated by mathematics and high-level knowledge that there is approximately billions of advanced civilizations within our universe. Now, those civilizations are broken off into different categories. To give you an example, there are a lot of primitive worlds. In other words, worlds that are developing the proper atmosphere in order to harbor biological life forms. So those are the worlds that are still going through their initial stage. In other words, they're heated. Perhaps some of the planets have lava, no oceans yet, and they go through that process. Those are the most right now. There are tons of worlds like that, okay, that are actually in the first stages of developing in order to be able to sustain biological life forms. In turn, then we have worlds that are able to sustain biological life forms. And those worlds are also within the billions. So just within our universe alone, they all divide in different categories. So we have primitive worlds where the single cell from the ocean developed into a multi-cell living organism, and that later developed into mammalian living organisms, which is all guided by intelligent design, by the way. There are a group of celestials known as the life carriers that go around to the different primitive planets in order to plant the seed of life. And then that's how we have intelligently guided natural evolution from the bottom up. So what happens is we have many of those worlds that are undergoing the process of developing different life forms. And then on top of that, we also have worlds where the sentient life forms have reached a high level of intelligence. In other words, they have developed themselves spiritually and perhaps technologically, where they are ready to navigate the stars. And those are worlds that are still considered category type 0, but in the beginning stages of transitioning into what the Joseph Kardashev calls type 1 civilization. Now, a type 1 civilization, that is the beginning of space travel. We could say that there's millions of worlds out there that are already discovered space travel, propulsion systems, free energy devices. They're able to control their planet's weather. They're able to establish colonies throughout other solar systems surrounding their solar system, but yet they still haven't mastered interdimensional physics. So now we get to type 2. And type 2, which are known as stellar civilizations because they harness stellar power, it is believed that there's approximately 100,000 just within our universe. A few hundred thousand. And so just within our universe, there is a few 100,000 stellar civilizations that already have access to an entire galaxy because they've mastered interdimensional physics. So they could go from one point of the galaxy to the next beyond the speed of light. And it is believed that there is approximately a few 100 million of those. All right, now the third stage, known as the type 3 galactic civilizations, it is believed that there are a few thousand of those within our universe. Just within our galaxy, there is a few thousand as well, but just within our universe, there's a few 100,000. So a type 3 is galactic. They are able to harness the core of an entire galaxy. And now they're able to go into different galaxies. That is what we call a category type 3 civilization. And then there's of course type 4, which is universal, but that goes beyond our universe. Now we're getting into the multiverse. So just within our universe alone, there are billions of primitive worlds. Within those, there are billions of primitive worlds. Also, there are millions upon millions of advanced type 1 civilizations. There are hundreds of thousands of type 2 civilizations. And there are also hundreds of thousands of galactic type 3 civilizations. My name is Ismael Perez. We will see you on the next one.